Hey guys, I'm Mona Lisa Foster and today I'll talk about the Magic series day 3. And before that, please subscribe my channel and give me some comment or feedback so that I also get to know what more I need to improve while doing these videos. And please share my videos if you like it so that your friends also come to know that I am making videos on positivity, motivational and laws of attraction, and I believe I can change the world along with you all only if you guys are supporting me. Please support me, please help me to learn, and also let's make this session much more interactive. Do like in the comment section. Yes, I am manifesting my dreams and I'm loving my life. Please everyone write this in the comment section so that you know what, whenever you're writing something on your comment section or anywhere, like on any piece of paper, it actually hits your subconscious brain. The more you write about it, the more it will hit to your subconscious brain. So this will actually change your life, and basically if you feel positive about yourself, you will make your environment positive. So I believe it is only the positivity, or if you bring positivity to yourself, if you love yourself, if you motivate yourself, you will motivate other people. Yeah, now let's come to the day 3. So day 3 is actually speaking about the magical relationship. So we have talked about the count the blessings in the day 1, day 2 was the magic rock, and day 3 is a magical relationship. So what this magic series is telling, that gratitude is the main thing. By gratitude you can change everything. So gratitude actually brings your feelings to that level where you know what, if you see the frequency of the high level, the gratitude comes in the first, and then actually come your happiness, like you are laughing, you are very much happy state of mind, that actually comes in the second. So gratitude is the first type of energy which brings yourself to the higher vibration. So whenever you are at that state of mind that you are feeling gratitude about any little things or any relationship you are having with you, it will bring positivity and strength to that relationship. For example, if you're in a relationship which is very bad and very abusive, and you're not liking to be a part of that type of relationship, please try to bring something. There must be something good that had happened in that relationship, right? So bring gratitude to that relationship. Say, God, oh my God, this was so great part of us. We will have such type of great part maybe in the future or maybe now, and I'm loving to stay with him or her. And more you bring gratitude, more you bring positivity, it will the strength, there are always strength in relationship. So what she says, that people with gratitude have better relationship in family, friends, office, outside. And if you have, like, if you are feeling to complain about one person, please try to hide it with 10 compliments giving to someone you love, someone you like, someone from the good relationship. So, and very very important, she is telling that being grateful for people just as they are. Like, you don't have to be changing some person, you have to love that person whatever he is in a state. Like, if he is poor, he's strong, he's weak, he's having some disease, he's not having some disease, just be grateful to have that relationship in whatever form or shape he is in. So that will bring much more strength to your relationship. Choose 3 of the closest relationship to be grateful for. You may include God or Guru, parents, spouse, children, sibling, friends, or anything. So this is what she's telling. She's also telling that have one photo of each the 3 type of relationship that you are grateful for. That can be God, Guru, parents, babies, anyone. And then yes, so she's telling, have a photo of all the 3 relationship you are feeling grateful for. Keep the photo in your hand, hold it tight, and then say the things that you are most grateful for, best qualities that, or the important act that helped you. Okay, so for day 3 you're having 3 things to follow. That is, 1, count the blessings, second is magical relationship, and third is the magic rock. With this, I'm ending my video today, and have a great day, have a great life. 2020 is a bit of turmoil situation for everyone's life, I know, but there are many positive aspects to look into. You know what, this online online teaching has become so good that I never thought of starting my law of attraction thing. But then so much miracles, so much things that is happening in my life that I thought of sharing everything with you all guys. And I'm feeling so good and so positive to share all this. I feel so light these days. You know what? Staying in Canada, staying away from your parents, staying away from your friends, and everything, every like thing that you are associated with. This is the only medium where I feel that I can be so much true to myself. I can talk with you guys so closely, and everything has actually changed. Like everything has changed, and I feel much more connected. And I know you guys will be feeling like why she's talking so much of extra things, but you know what, sometimes you have to listen to some people who wants to share from their end also. So I am closing my video with this. Stay very happy, stay positive, everything will be happening for good. Don't think anything negative about yourself. You know what, if you feel negative, negative will come to you. Don't draw any negative thing. If something negative happens to you, just press your hand and say, no, I'm positive, everything is fine with me. No, everything is fine with me. No, I'm not thinking about that. You just see, you can shift your vibration from a very negative to a very positive thing. So I'm giving this technique. This is a very much trick that works for me. I use this, like I touch my hands very badly whenever I see anything negative around, and I change myself to positive. So this is a trick I'm giving to you. Thank you.